journey of a customer involves several stages which include awareness, interest, desire, as well as action. Hi, I am Deep. I am the founder at DigiChefs. We are a digital marketing agency based in Mumbai. The topic I am going to be talking about today is what is a marketing funnel or what is funnel strategy. You have heard a lot of people saying that the right way to generate sales or leads on your website is by knowing where is the audience in the journey from awareness to an action. The typical journey of a customer involves several stages which include awareness, interest, desire, as well as action. Each of these phases, of course, determine what the customer is going through while they are exploring your brand. Let me give you an example. If you are looking out to buy a product, let's say a mobile phone, the first thing that you do is you try and identify what are the kind of products available in the market. You try and narrow down basis your particular requirement, if you want a good camera phone or a good music phone or something else. Basis what you observe in the market is when you actually go down and you identify the top 2 or 3 products that particularly satisfy your requirements. Post which you look into the budgets of each of these phones and then you identify as to which one is ideal for you. This whole process where you identified a few handsets available in the market, to what kind of specifications they have, to what kind of reviews are available on marketplaces for them, and then in the future looking out for coupon codes and whichever one suits best in terms of price and feasibility for you. This whole journey is essentially the customer journey that every customer goes through while they are shopping online. In a very similar fashion, while they are browsing your website, the user could be on the top of the funnel if they are visiting the website for the very first time. While they are browsing through the website, they could travel through the top of the funnel to the middle of the funnel and further to the bottom of the funnel, depending on what kind of exploration they find on the website. So if your website is able to convince that particular user to move from the top to the middle of the funnel and then to the bottom of the funnel, you say that your website is really good. Of course, you can do a lot of marketing campaigns to push a user from the top to the middle and middle to the bottom of the funnel. The simplest example of which is remarketing. So while you remarket a particular product to your customers, you constantly change the communication of your advertisement to make sure that at the end of the day, the customer finds value in whatever you are selling and hence is pushed from the top of the funnel to the middle of the funnel and hence in the future to the bottom of the funnel. So technically speaking, that's what funnel marketing or a funnel strategy really is. In case you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment to this video on whichever platform that you're watching it on. If you have feedback for our knowledge series, feel free to write to us again via the comment section, or you can message us on our pages and we'll be able to improve from there. Thank you so much for listening.